Hi, in this lesson I'm going to teach you the difference between a few, a little, and little. You should know first that we use a few and few with countable nouns. We use a little and little with uncountable nouns. 2. You should know that a few is greater than few and a little is greater than little. 3. A few means not many, but enough. Few means not many and not enough. That is to say, a few is a positive idea, whereas few may convey a negative idea. A little means not much, but enough. Little, not much, and not enough. So a little is a positive idea, but if we say little, this may suggest a negative idea. Let's see some examples. Look at the two following pictures. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 apples, and we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 people. Now, picture number 2, we have 1, 2, 3 apples, but we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 people. Now, in picture number 1, we're going to use a few apples. And in picture number 2, we're going to use few apples. We're going to see why. Look at this example. We are 4 people, and luckily we still have apples. Is it a few or a few? No, we're gonna use a few. Why? Because we have here the word luckily, which suggests a positive idea. But look at number 2. We are 4 people, and unfortunately we have few apples. Why few? Because we have here negative ideas, unfortunately, and it is a negative idea. Now, in picture number 1, we used a few because even though we have a few apples, each one of us will have an apple. But in number 2, we have only 2 apples, which means 2 or 3 people will have an apple. Which means the apples are not enough for everyone. Let's practice. Please give me some papers. Sorry, I have papers and I need them all. So is it little or is it a few or few? Few. Why? Because we have sorry here and I need them all. It's a negative idea. Look at number 2. Give me some papers. I have papers, but I'll give you 1 or 2. Here we're gonna use a few because here the idea is positive. I'll give you 1 or 2. The same thing goes with a little and little. Remember, we use little and little with uncountable nouns. Look at the following example. We have time to do that work. Number 2, sorry, but we have time to do that work. Number 1 is we have a little time to do that work. In number 2, sorry. Now number 1 is a positive idea. And number 2, we have sorry, we have little time to do our work. Now in number 1, although we have the time, we have little time, we can do the work. But in number 2, it's negative because we have sorry, negative idea. So the time that we have is not enough to do the work. Let's practice. Little, a little, or little. Look at the following example. We have I have milk. Number 2, I have milk. So look at the following pictures. A glass of milk and another glass of milk. Now in example number 1, we're gonna say I have a little or little. Look at the picture. I have a little milk, because as you can see, the milk is I have a little, but it's enough. Whereas in number 2, I have little milk. It's not enough. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.